Hey, in today's video, we'll take a look at how to use environments in Cadmio on the iPad. There are 4 different types of predefined 3D environments, which you can find in the Environments tab of the catalog: Custom, Studio/Abstract, Indoor, and Outdoor. By tapping on the thumbnails, you can preview the selected environment in the viewport, but it is not added to your presentation yet. To add it, you can either slide it to the right or drag and drop it into the viewport. Please note that the environments are created at real-world scale, which means not all models fit into all environments. You can see the size limit at the bottom of each thumbnail. You can see the environments already added to your presentation here in the Environments tab on the right side. While on the presentation screen, you can also cycle through them using a single button. You can adjust some basic properties using the buttons at the bottom of the tab. All environments can be rotated, and some also let you adjust the lighting intensity or background color. You can also reset the rotation or remove the environment from your presentation. Custom environments let you change more parameters than the other 3 types. The most versatile option is the custom HDRI environment. If you open its settings, you can use your own high dynamic range image to light your scene. You can project the image onto a dome with adjustable size, or use a solid color background, while still keeping the lighting defined by the image. There is also a directional light whose intensity, color, and direction can be adjusted using longitude and latitude controls. Lastly, you can adjust the opacity of the ground shadow cast by the directional light. The scalable abstract environments include minimal 3D geometry with adjustable size in the background, making them compatible with a wider range of models. You can also set up a directional light in them, similar to the custom HDRI environment. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video useful for finding the best environment to present your design. See you in the next video.